In this video, we're going to talk about how to create an economics Lorenz curve. So given this data, our country is South Africa, year 2023, and income for each decile from 1 to 10, mean of these deciles, as well as the population. So here we have cumulative share of population, linear line of equality, income earned by each decile, cumulative income earned, and cumulative income shared. So in this column, income earned by each decile, we have to copy this income to that column. So feel free to download the Excel worksheet in the comment section below to work along with me rather. So now let's copy our incomes from here to this column. So simply highlight your data. To copy, click Ctrl C. Now select your cell. To paste, click Ctrl rather and V. Now our data or our income are copied to this column. So now let's insert a table for this one, for this date. So simply highlight your data, click Insert Table and click OK. So for this one, simply highlight your data, click Insert Table and OK. Now we have to calculate the cumulative income earned and the cumulative income share. So to do so, we have to add this number plus this number, and we are going to put the sum of the two in this cell. So just type in equal, select this one plus this one, enter. So to autofill this, just double click when you see the on the bottom right corner rather, when you see a small positive sign. So to check whether our data is correct, we need to calculate the sum of this one, and it has to be equal to this last answer here. So to do so, just type in equal sum, highlight your data and enter. Now our data is correct here, since this last number is equal to the sum of these cells. Okay, now to calculate our cumulative income share, we need to take this number, divide by the sum times 100, and we multiply it by 100. So just type in equal this, divide by the sum times 100, enter. Now double click to autofill this, or you can just simply drag it down. So to see if your data is correct, it's always going to give you 100 on your last cell. Okay, now we need to draw rather our Lorenz curve. So to draw our Lorenz curve, we only need these three cells, which is cumulative share of population, line of equality, and the cumulative income share. To do so, you have to highlight these three cells. So to highlight these three cells, first start with this one and press Ctrl, again highlight this one. Now we need to insert our chart. So go to insert, recommended charts, and go to all charts and line. This is your Lorenz curve. Click OK. Now this is going to be our Lorenz curve in this case. So you could change the title of this curve and let's say maybe name it South Africa Lorenz curve. And we could also change the axis or name our axis and label the data error bars and trend lines, as well as up and down bars. So that's how you could draw a Lorenz curve using 10 deciles, 10 income deciles, as well as the population. So that's it for this video, guys. Please consider subscribing, liking and commenting so that others can discover my channel. Thanks for watching.